In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to kick off a clean export you can use for reporting, backups, or moving information elsewhere. Start by opening your browser and going to ClickUp. Once you're signed in and looking at your workspace, head to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is the quickest way to reach your personal and workspace settings without digging through multiple menus. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to a centralized area where you can manage preferences, permissions, and data controls. On the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, look for the section labeled Imports/Exports. Click that to open the tools specifically designed to move data in and out of your workspace. If you don't see it, you may need the right workspace permissions, so check with an admin if access is restricted. By default, many pages emphasize bringing data into a tool, so make sure you switch to the Export option by selecting Export instead. This makes it clear you're pulling data out of ClickUp rather than importing it. You'll see options related to what can be exported and where that data will come from. Next, choose the location you want to export. In ClickUp, location typically means the level of your hierarchy, a space, a folder within a space, or a specific list. Selecting a higher level location captures everything nested beneath it, which is helpful if you want a comprehensive snapshot. If you only need a smaller data set, pick a more granular location to keep your export lean and quicker to generate. Take a moment to confirm you're targeting the right area, especially if you manage multiple teams or client spaces. When you're ready, click Start Export. ClickUp will begin preparing your file. The time this takes depends on how much data you have and what's included in that location. Larger workspaces or deep hierarchies may take longer, so don't worry if it isn't instant. In many cases, exports come through as CSV files or a compressed archive, which makes them easy to open in spreadsheets or share securely with your team. Keep in mind that certain items like attachments or specialized fields may be handled differently depending on your plan and current export options. That's it. You've navigated to your settings, switched to exports, picked the exact location you need, and started the export process. Use this workflow whenever you want a reliable copy of your ClickUp data for analysis, migration, or safekeeping.